So my name is Rahul Jain. I currently work as a data analyst, sustainability for the sustainability implementation group at the University of Southampton. I remember exactly the moment I decided to apply, and I was very nervous at that time. I didn't know if I would be accepted because obviously the Southampton University is in the top 100 in the world, and I knew that the competition would be too severe. So I just was nervous, but I'm glad that I got shortlisted and selected for the course. When I got to the UK, the support was really brilliant. First, starting with the induction week, it was a very good introduction to how the curriculum would go forward, how the modules will be taught, what should I be expecting from my professors and lecturers, and what are they expecting out of me. I joined my course in 2020, which was a challenging year, as we all know. So a lot of the opportunities I had were virtual, but I made the most of them, and I sought opportunities which can provide me leverage in terms of perfecting my skills or utilizing my skills in different way. And I remember that whenever I participated in challenges or competitions, that really helped me to practice those skills, make more friends. So Southampton Careers Hub was really supportive. They did workshops, in-person workshops, to review my resume, to review my cover letters. They provided immense input into what more I can do to make my CV more competitive. I networked with my professors and lecturers, and I networked them on social media, on LinkedIn. And there I was able to get some good tips on how I can best modify my LinkedIn profile, for example. So the University of Southampton Business School really shaped my career and really shaped my personality. Before, I used to be more introvert and tried to keep to myself and try to do more things by myself without a lot of need for collaboration. But this has changed during my study phase because some assignments that we did were group assignments, and then you have to collaborate with different teams. So that was really interesting, and that really helped me to understand the power of collaboration. I feel like I have gained from studying here really good friends, really good contacts that will be with me for life. And the knowledge that I've gained here has already propelled me so far in my career, and I'm really sure that it's going to propel me even further. The Southampton Business School has taught me that I need to face the challenges, but at the same time, how to overcome them and how to use my skill set to deliver the best result possible in the given circumstances. Someone coming to study at Southampton University Business School, I would say you are in for a treat. Not only you will enjoy the taught programs or the research facilities, but you will also enjoy interacting with your faculties and professors, and you would also have a lot of opportunity to explore things beyond your coursework.